Students, welcome to Summarize Chemistry. Today we will discuss about Baeyer-Willigen reaction. This is a very easy reaction. Okay. Here, what will happen? That ketone is converted into ester. The reagent used in Baeyer-Willigen reaction is metachloroperoxybenzoic acid or trifluoroacetic anhydride or hydrogen peroxide. Let us see about the chemical reaction. Here, ketone react with metachloroperoxybenzoic acid to give ester. Okay. Let us check about the mechanism. Here, this is a ketone. When it reacts with metachloroperoxybenzoic acid, the lone pair of the oxygen is attached with the hydrogen, which comes from metachloroperoxybenzoic acid. Then the oxygen creates 3 bonds, which is unstable. So the double bond of oxygen will shift towards the oxygen to neutralize it. Okay. Then the rest part of the metachloroperoxybenzoic acid will react with the compound. This reagent will attach from this side. Hence the product will be like this. Here 2 oxygen are nearly present, which will create repulsion in between these. So the bond between 2 oxygen will break and this part will remove. Now the migration occurs. Before studying about this phenyl migration, let us know about the order. What will be the order of the migration? First will be the phenyl, then hydrogen, then alkyl group, that is 3 degree secondary and primary. So now here the phenyl group will migrate here. As this is the primary alkyl group, so according to the order the phenyl group will migrate. Hence this bond is shifted to here and the phenyl group attached with the oxygen. Hence the product form like this. Again the oxygen contains 3 bonds, which is highly unstable. Hence the H plus ion will remove again and the product will be formed, that is ester. Just remember one thing, that in Baeyer-Willigen reaction it does not change its stereochemistry. Just know about some tricks. The trick is we have to just enter the oxygen in between 2 carbon of the carbonyl group in the order phenyl group, hydrogen, then tertiary and secondary, then primary. So let us apply the trick. This is the carbonyl group. The right side of the carbonyl group is primary alkyl group and the left side of the carbonyl group is secondary alkyl group. So when metachloroperoxybenzoic acid react with this ketone, then what will happen? The oxygen will enter in between the carbonyl group in this order. So this is 1 degree and this is 2 degree. So the oxygen will attach here and this will be the product. Like that, this is the question. Here the carbonyl group is this and this is the 3 degree carbon and this is 2nd degree carbon. When this react with metachloroperoxybenzoic acid, the oxygen will attack where? Beside 3 degree. Some special tricks. When aldehyde react with metachloroperoxybenzoic acid, it always give carboxylic acid. Metachloroperoxybenzoic acid, it will give anhydride. You can easily find the answer by applying this trick. Here this is an aldehyde group. When it react with metachloroperoxybenzoic acid or acetic anhydride or H2O2, it will give carboxylic acid. So this is C double bond O H group. The oxygen will attached in this aptitude, in this migratory aptitude. So this side is 2 degree carbon and the right side is hydrogen group. So according to the migratory aptitude, the hydrogen came first, so the oxygen will attach with hydrogen. Okay, here are some questions for you. You should apply the trick here and get the answer. Just match your answer with these. If there is any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching the full video. Give a thumbs up and do subscribe if it is beneficial for you. Thank you.